Good morning and welcome to Cherie from Just Nailed It. Today we have got a collab video that we're going to be doing for vintage is our theme, and the only thing vintage I have are some really old, well not old, but the print of some old from when the stock market busted, took a crash back in the depression. Oh, it is the recession forecast, it says. Crash, bust. So we got one nail done. I'm going to have a sugar nail, foil bling. We're going to be using our brown hollow crushed sugar from She Modern. Love a sugar nail. I will be using their stencil glue gel to hold it on. For the foil, I'm going to be using Beetle's Nail Art Foil Glue. Our top gel, iGel Beauty's No Cleanse. Our base colors by Nail Reserve. Check them out. You won't be disappointed. I have got a link in the description, or discount code in the description box, so please check them out. That's where all my description codes are listed. And there's a slew of them. It's better to go look than for me to rattle them all off. Especially for like this, Rosalind. Go check out their links. So we are going to take gel foil glue from She Modern. We are going to cover our index finger. Foil to cuticle to tip, that foil. Cover it well so your sugar sticks. Let it covered really well. Pop that in the lamp. I'm going to give it a 30-second cure because my lamp is 120 watts. I should also do a foil nail at the same time. This one will require a little bit longer time than that. Well, wait a minute, I should probably wait. So you want your foil nails to be done as soon as that light goes off. As soon as that light goes off. So there we go. Gonna put that in for 60. Just cause. Get our sugar in the tray. And we're gonna chop. Get your sides. And you're going to rub. You want to push this some more on. I want to hurry and get this done before that one comes out of the lamp. And I love a sugar nail. They are my faves. They are my faves. I'm going to brush this in. Tap. Get my fluffy brush. Voila, we're done. This one's coming out of the lamp. Beautiful timing. We have got our foil. Rub. I just love doing foils. I do. They've been coming up pretty nifty lately since I got a new lamp. Take your fingernail and rub over the nail. It helps with the transfer. If I had my, I don't see it. Oh, it's there now. Rub. Let me get it up here. Rub. Helps transfer. I'm gonna do this. Let's take this again there, see if it transfers. Not really well. Not well at that. We're gonna take our nail back to it. I'm gonna rub. I don't know who made this foil. Some chance are easier than others. This isn't one of. This one you gotta apply some nail pressure to it. Here we go. Our last foil nail. Pop this in for 60. At the same time, I'm gonna get my top coat. I'm going to top coat this nail. This is going to be our bling nail. So I'm going to stick these in the lamp at the same time because this nail can sit. Put those in for 60. Get your nail. Let it sit for just a brief second. Get your foil, smooth it out. And then that takes this one all the way up to the cuticle. Unfortunately, it's got a little gap there at the top. Just a little gap. And we have a crinkle, so we straighten that one out. Straighten out your crinkle. So, once we have another crinkle up here, try to straighten that out. Rub, rub, rub. Every time I see it, I want to say baby in a tub, and I'm really not sure why. There we go. The camera was just a little bit off. Do your edges really well, because that seems to be where I don't get good coverage. For some reason. Not sure why. So rub, rub, rub. There we go. There are our foils. Our sugar nail. This is going to be our bling. Shoot. Oh, and I cured this, didn't I? Hello. Hello, Gracie. Should have cured it, should have put the bling on it, but whatever. Get us a little ahead of ourselves. No wonder it wouldn't stick. No wonder it wouldn't stick. So we're gonna get our bling. Place it on down the nail. Can't believe that. Cannot believe that. I'm going to get us some clear UV and put in between. Flip these babies over. Let me fix these before I will go on. Okay. Then get me some other bling and put up here. Almost. Whoops. It fell off onto my hand. Boy, these babies are wanting to slide. It wants to slide really easy. So I'm going to stick this in the lamp. I'm going to hold my hand in there for a flash cure. Just give it 5 seconds. I'm going to pop the lamp on. And we're going to grab our top coat. We're going to top coat the rest of the nails, not the sugar, because sugar is a textured nail. We're going to textured. We're going to top coat the rest of our nails. I myself like a glossy top coat, a no wipe. I cannot stand where you have to wipe the nails off. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I didn't start out doing gels with that. I started out with a no wipe. Diana taught me that. Her and Nails of Interest and Pumpkin get you a no wipe top coat. That's what I did. It was Model 1s. So I started with. So I think this turned out really super cool. Loving the old style of the foils. The bling nail is finito, but I'm going to stick that back in with the whole set. I'm going to give them a 60-second cure, and we'll be back. Alright, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. These are vintage manicure nails finished. Pretty cool how they turned out. I'm like very pleased. But the bling stayed in place, which makes me a happy camper. Love, love, love my sugar nail. Love, love feeling them, feel the texture. I really wish She Modern, would bring the Sugar Crush series back. Maybe if we all go and drop a hint to She Modern, Creative Nail Art She Modern here on Instagram and on YouTube. I might just do so, you never know. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my manicure for today. For Creative Nailz. Vintage, I believe. So yeah, leave me a comment down below with your thoughts, your useful suggestions, your constructive criticisms, all the isms. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future giveaways, uploads, and anything important that may be coming across my desk. I'm filming this a little bit early. I'm feeling under the weather because of some nerve blocks I had done. One turned into 3, so I've been under the weather, but I figured what a better time than to film, my collabs, get caught up on them. That's what I've been doing the past 2 days, trying to get caught up, trying to muster up some enthusiasm to get through. I hope you don't mind. So here we are, our finished product. We are finito. Hope you have enjoyed. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.